Hello, my name is Joe Sinopoli, and today I am sharing with you the logbook example solution of applications in the Tulip Industrial Operations application library. This solution of applications comes with a total of 4 applications that show example usage of logbook functionality in the Tulip Industrial Operations platform. The first of these applications, a guided entry workflow, functions as a logbook with a series of digital work instructions attached to it, where an individual can collect data and also go through a process. The second of these applications is an activity tracker with review, where an operator may see individual entries into a logbook, log events, and review those activities as well. The third application is a task tracking application for an example piece of equipment that requires sanitation and disinfection, which guides an operator through each of these processes, checking off individual actions as they occur. Lastly, there is a digital history record application that again displays electronic logbooks and allows for review additionally. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Tulip point of contact, and you may download these applications from the Tulip Industrial Operations application library with your Tulip subscription. Thank you very much.